The calendar table, it's a single line code. We have used calendar function min and max for the report date. So we could create the date column, which is a single column. So in case if you want to add month, year, quarter, month, year, week, and so on, you can add those columns. One is you can use the new column in this view itself. You can keep on adding a single column based on your needs. That is one option. So another option is we can always create all the columns at once. So prior to doing any kind of things, let us try to go to DAX query view and see. This is the DAX query view, and you can learn about DAX queries at that link which is listed. And also you can go to the column or measure and right click on so that you can use quick queries too. This window opens up. So once you evaluate this particular statement, top n will give you the top 100 of the current table, right? You can choose whatever table. If you have many tables, you can replace that table name with that particular table. So let us try to add some columns. It's a pretty simple function. Add columns expects a table and a name and an expression. So we already know that we want to add columns to calendar table. Let us try to pass calendar table as the first argument, and let us try the first name as month. That is what we thought, right? So let us give the name as month, and by using a month function we can pass the date, whatever date we have in the calendar table. Once you do that and close the parenthesis of add columns and run it, you can see on the bottom, you see the month as December is 12 and January is 1 and so on. So we are happy with this. You can additionally, in case if you want, you can try your code out here and before you actually create your measure or column. So similarly, you can use a quick tip here is that if you want to add a new line, if you want to use the same code, you can use Alt Shift and up and down arrow will bring the same code to above or below, right? So now that we have done and tried, and we can add the format so that you will get the name of the month. Now that we have done, we understand the logic behind what we want to do. Let us go back. Once we run this, like if we keep on adding further column names based on your need, quarter name and as such, those columns will appear on the right. So this is what we have tested. So now that we feel good about whatever code we wrote, let us try to go back to calendar table and let us try to add the code here. So here is the code. You can pause the video and try to enter the same in case if you're following along. Basically, like add columns expects a table. So that is the first argument we gave the table, calendar, min and max, and year, month number, month name, month year. Everything is a very simple syntax. So if you follow the syntax, those columns will be available for you in the calendar table. Once we have these columns, as we go along in this series of Power BI ADA, we can keep using whatever columns as and when the need arises. But here we need to do one thing. Suppose if you go to month name column, it's all alphabetically sorted. So if you see December, February, J, and mmmm are like that. That's by default. So what you could do is by highlighting the column month name, you go to sort column. Since we have already created month number column, you can sort by month name. The same thing we can do for month year and also day of the week name. Month year will be sorted by month year number. Same, all the A's and B's and those things will show up. Sorry, not B's. All the A's will show up and other month names too. So you can sort this by month, year number, and similarly day of the week also. If you see, all the Mondays are bunched up in our column. So by using the sort column method, we can sort this by the week. So I think that way we have that weekday column too. We can go ahead and sort it. So whenever we create visuals or whatever, it will nicely list out all the details like Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, like that. So same for the months and month year.